Hi, it's Janie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about essence. What is an essence? How do we use an essence? What step in our skincare regime would we put an essence? And then I'll talk about some of my favorite essence, and also I have an essence that was sent to me through Octoly from Fresh that was sent to me for review that I'll be talking about also. So without further ado, let's start talking about essence. So what is an essence? Well, virtually what an essence is, it's just a highly concentrated water-based formula that is just used to hydrate the skin. Plus it allows your product that you're going to put in on your skin following your essence to absorb into the skin easily and work better, because an essence basically is made up of a smaller molecule that penetrates the skin and opens up the skin. So it's basically like a gate. That's how I like to think of it, as your toners, which is going to go on your skin first. And of course your skin is going to be clean and it's going to be free of all makeup. And as a toner to me is like a path. That is your first step, and it's creating the path. And then your essence is a gate. The gate is your essence, and it's going to open up the skin, your pores, and then it creates a gateway for the rest of your skincare, which is going to be your serums and then your treatments that is going to help penetrate into the skin. Essence will also have benefits to them. They can be have beneficial ingredients that are going to help to calm the skin, to exfoliate the skin, or add vitamins and peptides. So they can also not only hydrate the skin and help prep the skin and get it ready to absorb and get the skin ready for your high-end skincare that is going to help, do things to your skin. It's going to also do things to your skin also, in addition to getting it ready for your skincare. So also essences prep and primes the skin by opening the skin barrier, therefore enhancing the performance and penetration of anti-aging serums that follow. I have my notes here. That's what I'm looking down at. So I've done my homework and done my little notes here. So how you use an essence, I've already touched on about it, is you're going to cleanse your skin. If it's at night, you're going to take off all of your makeup, do a double cleanse if you prefer. But just make sure that your skin is cleansed. Then you're going to do your toner, and then you would do an essence. An essence is a product, again, that you're just going to put into the palm of your hand. You're going to press it into your palm, and then you're going to just press it into the skin. You're not going to put it onto a cotton ball or a cotton pad and rub it on the skin. You're going to put it into the palm of your hand, and you're just going to press it into the skin gently, and then pat it until it's absorbed into the skin. That's how you're going to apply it, and that's the step that you're going to put it into your skincare regime. Then you'll go in with your serum, whether it be a vitamin C serum, hyaluronic acid serum, whatever type of serum that you're using for the night or for the AM, whatever it is, and that's when you'll put your serum on. And that's how you incorporate an essence into your skincare regime. It's very simple, it's very easy to do, doesn't take any extra time to add in an essence. It takes probably a total of a minute, if even that, to add in an essence. But the benefit that you're going to see to your skin by adding in an essence is going to be worth the extra 30, 45, 60 seconds that you've added in an essence. So now let's talk about some of the essences that I have liked to use. One, we're going to talk about the one that was sent to me from Fresh, and then I'm going to talk about two of my favorite ones that I have used and have repurchased. So of course, Essences has been a Korean skincare product that has been used in Korea in the Asian beauty market for years and years and years. And of course, the Asian market, the skincare market, has been ahead of the Western market, the United States market, by leaps and bounds. I mean, we can learn so much from the Asian skincare market as far as learning how to take care of skin. All you have to do is look at someone that is Asian and look at how their skin has aged, which is very minimal. And we can learn so much from them. And one of the products that they use in their skincare regime has been an essence, because they have learned over the years, centuries ago, the importance of using an essence and what it can do. And one of the products that they have found, one of the ingredients is black tea kombucha, which is an antioxidant, which is going to help with skin luminosity, fades fine lines, minimizes pores, improves elasticity, smooths the texture of your skin, boosts the tone. It will hydrate your skin for 24 hours, and it also is an antioxidant for pollution defense. I mean, as we know, our ozone layer out there in the world is getting destroyed, and so our rays from our sun is getting stronger and stronger, our pollution is getting stronger and stronger, and the free radicals out there are getting stronger and stronger, and so we need all of the defense that we can get when we go outside, and why not have a little extra in our essence? And that is what the fresh black tea kombucha facial treatment essence will do for you. And this again was sent to me from Fresh, complimentary for review, which I was so excited when this showed up on Ottily, because I've been wanting to try it for a very long time. The link for it will be down in the description box. You can get it at Sephora. It runs around $32, which is a very good price tag for this product. The ounce on it is, let me get my glasses here. Let me get my glasses, because it's going to last a long time, because it is so concentrated. It just takes a little bit, because I've been using this for 2 weeks now, morning and evening, and this is all that I have used. I hope you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. That's all I've used, because it just takes a little bit. And this is a 5 fluid ounce of this, and there is a smaller bottle, I think, that's available, but don't mess with the small bottle. Get the big bottle, because you're going to like this. You're really going to like this. But like I said, it's the black tea kombucha, which is an antioxidant, which is also good for you to drink. I have not drank it. I don't know what it tastes like, but I know that it's good for the skin. I've really been liking what it's been doing for my skin. Do you see all this glow going on right now? It's from this. I'm telling you, it's from using this. So I can definitely tell you that it has helped with the skin luminosity. I really do. I don't know about it fading any fine lines yet. I haven't used it long enough to speak to that. That's going to be a long-term use for that. As far as minimizing pores, can't speak to that. Improving elasticity, can't speak to that. Improving and smoothing the texture. I think my face is starting to look smoother. Maybe it's because it's more hydrated and plumped, I think, because I do feel like it has definitely helped with the hydration. So it does feel a little bit more plumped. And as far as the pollution, with the antioxidants, the pollution defense, who knows? But hey, if it says it helps, I'm all for it. So, but I really do have enjoyed it. I do recommend it. The smell is a very faint smell to it. Almost has a sweet smell to it. Almost like it almost smells like sweet tea, almost, to me. But that is one that I have been using, like I said, since they sent it to me over for the last 2 weeks, morning and evening, and I have really been enjoying it very much. And then another essence that I have purchased and used and have repurchased, and that is from Time Revolution, and this is the First Treatment Essence Intensive Mask, or Intensive Moist. This is my backup bottle, and this one here is comparable to the SK2 Essence, which is like, what, $200 for a bottle of it, because and this one runs $49, but you can actually get it cheaper. You know, you can find it on sale and stuff. But what makes this one special is that it has 90% fermented yeast, which is to help repair damage and even out skin tone. And of course, you know, the Asian market again has found, you know, that fermented yeast is very good for the skin, and it helps to plump the skin, refine the texture, and help to reduce the pigmentation. So I do recommend this one. Like I said, I've used a bottle of this in the past and have very much enjoyed it. I have used the SK2 essence, and I find them very comparable. If you were to put each of these in one of each in an unmarked bottle, I would not be able to tell the difference. My skin would not be able to tell the difference, and the performance of the two, I would not be able to tell the difference. So some people say that they can, but I have not been able to tell the difference between the two. So save your money and get this one here. And again, that one is from Time Revolution, the First Treatment Essence in Intensive Moist. I can't read my handwriting. I guess I could look on the bottle, but I really do like this. And again, that's $49, but like I said, you can get it on sale periodically throughout the year. And then the next one that I want to talk about is, where's that? This one here. And this one is from Coop, and this is the Coop Raw Sauce, and this is probably my third or fourth bottle of this that I have used throughout the years, probably the past 3 years that since I've discovered using an essence. This one will run you around $43. We used to be able to get this at Sephora, but Sephora quit carrying it, but you can get it on, I think, SocoGlam, possibly, maybe Wishtrend, but anyway, you can get it at different places of that nature. But anyway, this one, what makes it special is that you can use this one as a toner, an emulsion, and an essence all in one. So you could use it as all three of those steps, but I specifically use it as an essence, But anyway, it hydrates and nourishes the skin, and what makes this one special is that it is composed of 93% maple tree sap, which is a skin nourishing fructan powder, and it's Asian herbal and fruit extracts in it also, and helps to hydrate and have dewier skin. But anyway, this one is very good for hydrating the skin with the maple tree sap in it, and I really do enjoy using that one. As you can see, I've been down to here on that one, and it's really hard. It's been kind of hard for me to use this one as opposed to this one, but I've been liking this one a whole lot. And it smells so good. I really do like that one. And I was so glad. I was like, there's a lot of times I apply for things on Octoly and I get turned down. And this one, I was just like holding my breath. I was like, oh please, oh please, oh please, please select me, please select me. And I was so excited when they said yes, that I could get it. I was so excited. And along with this also came the face cleanser, the fresh soy, I can't hardly say that, that's a tongue twister, the fresh soy face cleanser, and this was a special edition because I guess it's their 20-year anniversary. Can you believe that this cleanser has been around for 20 years? And it has a special packaging on it with some special artwork on it. Anyway, I've been enjoying using this. I'm not going to go too far in depth with a review on the cleanser. I'm going to do a different video with the cleanser because I really have been enjoying it. And you know, can you believe I don't think I've ever used this cleanser before, but I've been using this of the morning as my morning cleanse, and I really have been enjoying it. It smells like cucumbers. It smells really good, but I had to include it because it came with this, and it was kind of like a two-part thingy, but I mainly wanted to talk about the essence in this video. But those are kind of the essence that I wanted to talk about. Definitely that fresh one. I really think you would like it. When you go into Sephora, ask them for a sample of it. They could give you enough that you could get a couple days worth of it to find out how you're going to like it. And I really think you'll see some really good hydration from it, from that little sample vial that they'll be able to give you, and see that you really like it. I know Stephanie Nicole, her videos, she talks about it a lot, and she really goes in depth about how it really works, a lot more technical than what I do. But I just know that my skin has been really plump and hydrated. It has a really nice glow to it since I've started using it, and I just really like the way that it feels. I also know that since I've started using essences probably about 2 to 3 years ago, I feel like my skincare products have started working better. I have been seeing better results with my skincare products after using essences, so I really think that they do work. I don't think it's just a hype for us to get to purchase, you know, another skincare product, because I mean, it's only been probably in the last year or so that we've really been seeing essences being sold here in the United States. It's usually just been like a Korean or Asian skincare product that we really haven't even heard of, unless you've kind of delved into the Korean skincare process by just reading blogs or watching YouTube videos, you know, about Asian skincare, and then getting on, you know, an Asian skincare website and ordering it that way. But as far as, you know, being able to go into a brick and mortar store like Sephora or Ulta or someplace like that and actually buying an essence hasn't really been happening until this past few years. So anyway, I think they work. From my own experience, I think they work. I think they're worth the money. I think it's worth the time to put into your skincare regime and use the few minutes that it takes to use them. It doesn't take very long at all, and it's worth the effort. It may take you a few times to try to find the one that works what's best for your skin. Like I said in the beginning of the video, most of them are for hydration, but you can definitely find some that are there for to calm the skin, for exfoliating, or just to add vitamins and peptides into the skin, as well as hydrating. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video and have learned something, and leave your comments down below on what your favorite essence has been, what you have used, and let us know why. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.